Thank you for joining Ride Fit Nation, hosted by Sensei. This is where you ride your ride and leave the excuses on the road. Our mission on this channel is to go for miles, money, and muscle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's go.
All right, guys, so check this out. So as you guys already seen already, right? I already purchased the enclosed trailer and I bought the truck, right? Now, when I bought the dump trailer. Now, for me, this is all about the business moves. And I'm thinking about it. I'm like, well, why do I need to have the enclosed trailer right now? I don't really need an enclosed trailer right now. The dump trailer really is the moneymaker. And the dump trailer is the number one moneymaker. That's going to be the thing that's going to make money immediately. As you guys seen the video I posted yesterday, I was able to generate $600 just from the trailer, right? And this is the dump trailer if you haven't seen it. See what I'm saying? And that's a 7 by 14 with 4 feet high walls, right? Now we got the trailer over here. So babe, we got a trailer over here, and I've been thinking about it. I'm like, been asking the questions, been trying to figure things out on what I really want to do when it comes to financial decisions and making the right choices. It's the trailer. Now the thing about a trailer, it's a used trailer, right? And I really want to get one that's in way better condition when the time permits it. I don't really want to spend the extra money per month when I know that this trailer is not going to make the money I want to make. See it? That's going to be mostly just me holding on to it cosmetically and saying, oh man, you know what? I want to hold on to the trailer, but I can't justify the means. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to get rid of it. I'm taking it and get rid of it. All right, so hold on a sec. Let me get back at Yas. Left my charger. All right, I feel better now. So now I got my charger. So what I was saying is everything that you do financially has to make sense. And I know a lot of y'all just want to see motorcycle content, whatever, which is good. I got a lot of motorcycle content on this channel, but I got to keep on telling you guys, this channel is not just about motorcycles alone. This is where I'm sharing my life, my process in my life, and giving you guys some ideas. And hopefully I can encourage some of you to step out of your comfort zone and really get after it. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, ain't nobody gonna do nothing for you. We live in a world where corporate America is taking over and just destroying people's lives. People are getting fired, people are getting terminated, people are losing their jobs. So my thing is, why worry and why face that type of reality and wait for that to happen when you could do something about it right now? You see what I'm saying? So I just need y'all to really start thinking about where you are, think about what you want to do, really focus on this, make the decisions that will impact you now, all right? Like, for example, I went to the bank and I asked my bank, hold on, let me just put this thing in. I asked the bank, I said, hey, listen, how much interest am I getting from my regular account, a regular savings account? It was 0.01% interest, right? And then after I asked that question, I then followed up and asked the question. I said, all right, so what about if I put my money in a CD? And you want to know the answer to that? How much interest you gain on that? Well, here's the numbers. I got it right here. In 5 months, if you put $5,000 in 5 months, you get 3.75 interest. What? If you put the money in there for 11 months, you get 4% interest. That's a lot of money. You see what I'm saying? Do the math. I'm not going to do the math right now because my brain ain't going to capture the math. But all you got to do, you look it up and say, hey, what's 4%? This damn thing. What's 4% of $5,000? So 4% of $5,000 in a CD for 11 months is $200. Now, the people who don't understand money, you're like, for $200, well, think about it. If you take $5,000 and put it into your mattress, put it under your mattress ain't gonna make no money. The money's gonna stay there. The money, if you put $1 in your mattress or in a shoebox, that shoebox 11 months from now is gonna be the same amount of money. It's not going to have any real value. You see what I'm saying? Now, if you take that same money and you put that 5 G's into your interest, that 5,000 just accumulated $200 over 11 months. You do that over time, your money begins to really grow. You see what I'm saying? And that's what you really want to focus on. You want to focus on the growth potential of your money and, you know, really start owning your money. Because to me, I'm just tired of seeing all of us taking our money and wasting our money and making illogical decisions. Like right now, if I kept this trailer, that's illogical. I don't see a way I need this big trailer right now. If I keep it right now, it's going to be cosmetics, or mostly cosmetics. You see what I'm saying? So that's the focus here. That's the goal here, to really start owning our lives, guys. And like I said, I know a lot of you guys want to see only motorcycle content. I'm not here for that, man. I'm not here for just motorcycle stuff. There's a whole lot of people on social media that's already teaching y'all about motorcycle stuff. You know, my bike right now is doing great. It's Beast is a beast for real. You know what I'm saying? I got to take it to the dealer for them to check out some stuff for me. But honestly, my bike stuff is not done. I have a lot of rides coming up. I got a whole lot of stuff done up. But guess what? I got content to share with you guys consistently. All right, so let's get this thing going, man. It's rainy today, and I'm making moves. I'm not riding a motorcycle, but I'm still giving y'all content. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm about 36 minutes from my destination, but you know what I want to talk to you guys about, man? It's like, you know, there's a lot of people going through stuff right now. You could be somebody who's going through some financial hardship, and you know, I tell people all the time, when we live in America, I've said it before in a video, we have the ability to do so many different things. I mean, if you have a ladder and a truck or a vehicle, a pretty tall ladder, go around your neighborhood and ask people, if, hey, do you need your gutters clean? Clean out the gutters, take out all the leaves and all the crap out there. You got people in the community that might need help picking up groceries. There's so many different ways to generate money, right? Home Depot. If you're a handy person, you would never be without money. All you got to do is just have some ideas and start those ideas. And I'm telling you, you will feel, you will see a difference in your life. You know, I don't want y'all to give up, man. I don't want none of you who's going through stuff to give up. And those of you who are not going through anything, don't think that you're not going to go through anything, because we're all going to go through stuff. What I'm doing is I'm setting myself up for the future. I'm setting up my sons for the future as well, because you know what? In the fitness industry, I'm not going to be able to leave that to them. But my son, he's anxious to learn. I'm going to start getting these jobs, especially when he's out of school. You know, get him lined up, get him situated so he can really start owning his craft and start to learn a different trade. And hey, he might decide, hey, I want to continue this. When I'm gone, this is something that he can possibly learn and grow, and the business might already be established. So my point is this, you know, keep on brainstorming. Because we could never say that we have enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you have enough, it doesn't mean you can't do things to help others around you to grow. You see? Right now I got guys that I'll be more than happy to employ as this business begins to grow, because I know that they could use the extra dollars, the extra $100, the extra $150. If you do that twice a week, that's $800 extra a month. That's damn near half of the mortgage for some people. That's half of the rent for some people. You see what I'm saying? So, guys, let's keep on grinding, man. Let's keep on pushing. Remember, this is not just about the motorcycles. I keep on telling y'all that. This channel is all about growth, all about potential growth. We're getting these miles, getting this money, and getting this muscle. Yep, let's go. All right, so the rain is coming down. I'm gonna show you guys the trailer that I'm really looking at when it comes to cosmetics. And I want you to see this trailer, look at it, and then tell me your thoughts. Look at the one that I just returned, right? This one is beat the hell up. This one, they didn't take good care of this trailer at all, okay? The people that had the issues here, they really jacked it up. But now look at this one, all blacked out. The material, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear this, but if I hit this thing here, you can hear that. And if I hit this, it's a completely different sound. You see what I'm saying? So this one is the one that I'll look at getting something like this down the line, maybe like another 6 months from now, but I'm gonna make some money from my trailer first, get that money back, pay that trailer up, and then come after something like this. Definitely gonna be the same exact size, but this is a heck of a different trailer, much better for the brand. You see what I'm saying? Because now when I'm traveling, I wanna be able to make that thing my house when I'm traveling. I wanna make it set up so I could just sit comfortable with the family. I could throw my motorcycle in there and enjoy the ride, baby. All right, so I'm gonna go in here, meet up with the guy, get the paperwork done, and move on. It's raining. Did I mention it's raining? Hold on. It is raining. Let's get it. All right, so the mission is done. I'm no longer gonna get charged any more money for having this trailer, you know, because it was a rent to own, and I decided, nah, I'm not gonna do it. They have a really great return policy, which is what I deal with all the time. Companies that have a really good return policy. Well, I told them when I get back, I'm definitely going to talk to them about the other one, all blacked out. And this is called Strickland Structures. If you want to call them, the number is 229-726-4799. If you're looking for trailers, you want to start a little business, you want to start hauling stuff, call them. Tell the brother that, you know, you spoke to Donovan from Ride Fit Nation, the gentleman that returned back that black trailer. Now, I'm going to out the video real quick. But before I out the video, I'm just going to tell you guys, you know, money is around us. It's all about how much energy we want to put into our day, right? So I prefer to be working, making $1, than being sitting down on the couch, not making nothing. You know what I'm saying? So it all boils down to the workload, the amount of energy you want to put into it. It all boils down to, like, what are you willing to do? You know, do you have things around your house that you can sell to make some extra dollars? Because a lot of us have junk all around our house. I'm trying to take this darn thing down. It just broke too. A lot of us have junk all around our home that we're not even using anymore, right? So what can you put on Facebook Marketplace, right? What do you have that you can just go out there and just start generating some income? Because today's video is all about income. Past couple of videos have been about income, because I want us all to be better, okay? You don't have to be wealthy. You don't have to be rich. Just be comfortable in life, man. Just find a way to start saying, yo, you know what? Sensei is right, man. I need to get out here and start doing stuff. And if you got some bills that's unnecessary, like right now, me getting rid of the trailer, that's unnecessary. I didn't need the trailer. I didn't need that trailer, because that trailer is not going to make me money right now. That trailer is going to sit in my yard and just take up space for what? Where I'm wasting money every month for what? It doesn't make sense. You see what I'm saying? So look around your house. Think about your phone bills. Is there a way for you to minimize that phone bill? Do you need to have that phone bill the way you got it? Or is there a way for you to cut that down instead of paying $250, $300, $400 a month? You know what I'm saying? Can you pay $150 by cutting down the usage on the phone? Your cable bill, same thing. You'd be surprised if you save $50 here, another $50 there. That's $1,200 you just saved for the whole year. You see what I'm saying? So guys, like I said, man, in this videos, I'm here to just engage with you all, kind of give you guys my insight. I don't want to get you guys spoiled with only motorcycle stuff. I see too many guys that's been on YouTube that spoil their subscribers and only post this one type of stuff. And then when they try to post something else, they don't get no views. I don't want to do that. I want all of you guys here to understand that this is not a motorcycle alone channel. All right, so please leave it in the comments. Let me know if there's anything that I said today that you feel like you could apply, or that you've applied already. Did I speak any truth? I want to know, did I speak any truth? You see what I'm saying? So anyway, let me not waste your time anymore. The trailer's now returned. It is pouring rain outside. I'm about to head back home, asking the Most High for safe guidance. And I love y'all. Much respect. All right, this is Sensei. Peace and respect. We're going after the miles, the money, and the muscle, baby. Miles, money, and muscle. We out.